Dan Roberts Wilcox here, coming from Doncaster, South Yorkshire. I've been playing drums for around 23 years now, and I currently play in my band Valley Road. We're from Rotherham, South Yorkshire. We play mostly covers at our gigs, and we do sometimes play some original stuff in there too, which we're working on at the moment. You can find some of our release stuff on all the usual channels, and you can see our social pages at Valley Road UK. So if you can go and check us out, that'd be much appreciated. I've been using the Collision 5B sticks for about a month now after seeing a social media post. I thought it looked pretty cool, so I thought I'd make the switch, and ever since switching I've not wanted to go back. So to be able to get an endorsement by Collision is just incredible and really appreciated, especially for a small artist like myself. So it's really great to be on board and for them having me. I've also got some of the 5B Reach series, which are absolutely brilliant. I have been giving them a go, and I think I might end up making the switch to them permanently because they're just a fantastic stick with great feel and great weight to them. I've also got some of the 2Bs for that practice of warming up and just getting everything warmed up with a heavier stick. And then also I do like to play some heavier stuff as well from time to time, so they're really great for that. I really love the durability of these sticks. They really hold up to a beating. So you can play quite hard with these, and you're not getting any issues with the sticks at all. They're really comfortable, feel great in your hands. The weight and the balance is just brilliant, and it's perfect for what I want to do with these. So these 5Bs have just been fantastic so far. I love the varied options that Collision have got, especially with the Reach series, where I can switch from time to time depending on what I'm playing. The options available are fantastic, and I just think that the durability of the sticks, again, I think a lot of other people are saying the same thing when you're speaking about Collision, is that the durability is just fantastic on them. I really love the custom options that Collision have got, where you can get your name and your band logo on the sticks, which is fantastic for smaller artists especially, where you've got the option to be able to get a really professional job done and you can get your name out there. And for smaller artists like myself, it's really good opportunity to be able to have your advertisement out there. That's fantastic. I really love the family feel that Collision have, and upon joining Collision's endorsement, you just feel like a family member straight away. So they're really looking after you straight away, really down to earth. So really looking forward to working with Collision in the future. Super thankful for Collision for having me on board and giving me the opportunity for this endorsement. It really is a privilege to be supported, especially as a small artist. So thank you very much. Now then, the song you're about to hear is See Your Face by my band, Valley Road. And just to let you know, James from the band would say that this song is a bit flirty. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Would like to see you undressed. So, do you wanna dance with me? 'Cause I really need to de-stress. Oh, you could set me free. My body's really hazy, but you wanna send me crazy, make me baby. Trying to impress when you smile and walk away. 'Cause I really need to express one way you could set me free. My body's really hazy, but you're gonna send me crazy, maybe you can send me, baby. Baby, how could I watch you walk away? I see you when I close my eyes. You're always on my mind. I just can't escape that place until I see your face again. Until I see your face again, baby. so you can't be far away. 'Cause I really need to express that I see myself with you. My mind is pretty hazy, but you're gonna send me crazy. Maybe you can see me, baby. Baby, why did I watch you go that day? How could I watch you walk away? I see you when I close my eyes. You're always on my mind. I just can't escape that place until I see your face again. Until I see your face again. Baby, I will see your face again. Face again. Oh, I will see your face again. Well, I will see your face again. Well, I will see your face again. Ah, thank you.